If you're a Norwex consultant and you're not using Office Suite yet, I want to tell you why this little tool can completely simplify your business. Now, Office Suite is basically your digital business hub. It gives you tools that make shopping easier for customers. It simplifies the way we share, and it helps us run our business with less stress and less manual work. I'm all for that. So if you want one tool that removes friction from your Norwex business, Office Suite's probably going to be it. Now, after years of using it daily, these are the three things that I love the most and honestly rely on the most. Now, number one is our catalog mailing program. You can set up customers to receive a catalog from you that's personalized with your name on it, and it's sent directly by Norwex. Personalized links and a searchable online store. My searchable online store means I have my own customizable website that is searchable directly on the main Norwex website. So if I meet someone out and I tell them I'm a Norwex consultant, they can actually go to norwex.com, search my name, and shop with me right away. It makes connecting with new customers or even repeat customers super simple. Also, personalized links have been a game changer for my business. I create share carts for customers. I'll send a checkout ready link, which is fantastic. I create party links. I share direct product links in my social media post or the reels. Send customers straight to categories even, like the laundry category or skincare. It removes so much confusion and makes ordering very easy. In my opinion, this is one of the biggest workflow upgrades that I see new consultants maybe overlook because you don't know how great it is. Customers can shop with you through direct links. It's just so much simpler for you and the customer. And to clarify, you don't have to have Office Suite to have a Norwex business. You can still manually place orders for your customers, and they can even set up an autosave with you. With Office Suite, though, you get customer and host referral links so they can earn rewards. You can also have a hostess link and earn rewards. Host can check out when they're ready. You can do a share a cart for a quick product recommendation and set your customers up on Norwex marketing emails sent directly and automatically to your customers. Office Suite is not required to be a consultant, but it does give you some tools that automate and streamline so much of your business. Without it, things like customer referral links are turned off and more of your workflow becomes manual. I like the automated part. It's only $9.99 a month, and new consultants get it totally free for the first 3 months. So if you haven't explored it yet, just log into your Norwex dashboard, go to Profile and Settings, and check out everything that Office Suite can do. It's just one of those tools that makes running a Norwex business so much easier, and most consultants don't realize when they first start how many of those small tasks Office Suite can actually automate for you until you start using it. And once you start using it, it's going to be hard to imagine running your Norwex business without it. I'll see you soon.